In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this tailgate latch in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Now we're going to pull this bezel forward. You can use a trim tool and just get behind here. Might want to use multiple trim tools. And just pop it out. There's some clips holding it on. And just slide this out. You can see where the clips are. Now I'm going to use a T15 socket and take these screws out. There's 3 of them. And separate the camera from the bezel. Now we're going to open the tailgate, just pop this up. You can use a screwdriver or a prying tool. There we go. Just pop that down and then pop that rod out. Just raise the tailgate a little bit, and then I'm going to pop this off. Just slide that little clip out and up. Then you can drop the tailgate down. I still have one of these straps on the other side. Now we're going to take both of these bolts out using a 13mm socket. And this bolt has a cage on the other side of it, or a little washer that holds the bolt in right there. I'm just going to use some pliers and just hold that washer. I can take that off, just like that, and separate that. Now grab the latch and slide the rod right out, just like that. Now I take the rod off here, just slide this lever to the side, just like that, and then separate the 2 parts. Take the latch and the rod, line this up. Slide it through just like that, and then just fold over the lock. Take this bolt, go through the cable. This is going to go through the bottom, and there was this little retainer on there that's just holding the bolt on. You can put that back on. Just slide it over, and you want to slide the rod through. Get this started. You want to make sure the cable is over where the handle is, so you can double check before you close this. And tighten these down. And attach the cable. Now attach the rod. Latch it down. Now we can close the tailgate. Now take the camera, slide it in position. Just take the screws, and we'll just get those started. And just snug those down. Not too tight, it is in plastic, so just snug. It's good. I'll line this up. If that all lined up, just give it a push. Lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.